Well, we definitely got them. Are we stopping here a bit, though?
Yeah.
Well, I won't say that for a little thing.